am Dora. Diego, Boo, and I need your help. Oh no, baby jaguar is missing. Diego cannot find him. Boots and I are helping Diego find him. Wait, will you help too?
Great.
Help us find baby jaguar? Look up in that.
That's what? What does it say?
Tree. I see a tail. Baby jaguar has a tail. Does it belong to baby jaguar?
Where
is baby jaguar? No, it is not baby.
It is a
snake. Getting out of that.
And then try that one. Where is
baby jaguar? Ooh. Behind those flowers, I see feet. Baby jaguar has feet. Baby jaguar, they belong to baby jaguar?
Good job.
No, it is Isa. Working in her garden. Where is baby jaguar? Look. Behind those trees.
That tree. Trunk.
I see whiskers. Baby jaguar has whiskers. Do they belong to those
whiskers?
Whiskers belong to baby jaguar. Where is baby jaguar?
Oh, don't forget to do this.
No, it is Swiper, that sneaky fox.
Where is baby jaguar? Read that first.
Where is baby jaguar?
Very good.
Look behind the slide. I see spots.
No, Julius.
The baby jaguar has spots. Do those belong to baby jaguar?
No, right down here.
No, it is that belongs to Benny. Will we ever find baby jaguar?
We
need to go back to the animal rescue center.
Down here, says Tilly. That's the first.
We open the door. We cannot believe it. We see a tail, feet, whiskers, and spots. Here it is baby jaguar. Diego is so happy he found baby jaguar. Now, thank you for helping.
Yay! Celeste's first book all alone. Good reading, Sally. Good job. Are you proud of yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to tell Grandma anything? Who do you want to talk to? Or sing to? Do you want to sing to us or tell us a story? You're just going to be shy right now.
Yeah, I want to stuff it.